Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make this béarnaise sauce. Now it's pretty simple and easy. Well, a lot of stirring involved, but it's easy. What you want to do is take 1 tablespoon of butter, melt it down, and add in 1 shallot, diced. All you want to do is cook the shallot till it's translucent. You don't want to caramelize it, you don't want to burn it, you just want to make it translucent. And once it gets all the way translucent, you want to add in the tablespoon of tarragon and the ½ cup of tarragon vinegar. Now I could not find tarragon vinegar, so I made my own tarragon vinegar by adding dried tarragon to white vinegar. Then after it simmers, you want to separate it and let cool for later. And as it cools, you want to separate 3 eggs from yolks. You want to save the yolks. Of course you want to save the whites and eat them. You don't want to waste them now, do you? There you go. Beat the eggs with some lemon juice until they become nice and smooth. Put on your double boiler. You want to keep stirring. You do not want to stop stirring. And you do want to watch the temperature. You do not want to cook the yolks. So you want to take them on and off the water. Stir it the while on, then take off, stir while it's off until it cools back, and just keep doing that back and forth until it begins to get somewhat thick. Not too thick though. Because I said you do not cook the eggs. You slowly want to start adding 1 tablespoon of butter in at a time, a total of 15 tablespoons of butter. You want to do it 1 at a time and wait till the last one melted before you add the next. And just keep doing that until you get a nice emulsion going. You want to keep stirring and keep stirring. You see here I'm stirring, it's going faster, and my hand's going all crazy. Yeah. It's tiring, a lot of stirring. Once you get all stirred, you want to add the Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, cayenne pepper, and pepper, along with the shallots and vinegar mixture we made earlier. Make sure it's stirred and well combined. Remove from heat. And there you go, you got yourself a béarnaise sauce. Now you want to let it cool. Look at that. Now the rest of the video is bonus features of me cooking a steak in my new sous vide. Now I am trying to experiment by cooking it in the béarnaise sauce as I do it. Just to see what happens. Now what I'm going to do is put this in the refrigerator for overnight after I vacuum seal it. Then I'm going to cook it for 6 hours in my sous vide. Yes, 6 hours. Now I don't recommend cooking it this way in the béarnaise sauce. Just cook it dry, because it didn't really do anything. So now after you get the steak out of the bag, you want to pop it down your skillet to get the nice crusty bits. Sprinkle some salt on it. Cook it nice and hot heat. You want to make it the hottest possible because that's how you want to do it. And of course you want to cook it till it's, your preferred doneness. Do the crust. Pretty nice. It's not perfect. I should have pat it dried it better before I put salt on it, but yeah, it is what it is. Should be more patient when I cook. It's cooking along nicely. There you go. Got yourself a nice béarnaise sauce with a juicy, juicy steak. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.